The Beavers started the game well with solid play from Elsera Greer as she got 3 quick layups to pace the Beavers to a quick 14-9 lead in the first 10 minutes of the game. The Ducks responded with a 24-0 run as the Beavers went cold from the field and started turning the ball over to the Ducks' relentless full-court press. OSU shot 21% from the field, 7% from beyond the arc, and 30% from the free throw line in the first half, while Oregon shot 35% from the field in the first half, and the difference was the made three-pointers by the Ducks as they made 8 as a team to OSU's 1. The Ducks were led by Amanda Johnson in the first half as she had 10 points, 6 rebounds, and 3 assists as Oregon took a 36-16 lead going into the locker room at halftime. Junior college transfer Erlicia Marchbank set the tone to start the second half as she had a layup, steal, and three-pointer which led the Beavers to an 11-0 run which cut the Ducks' lead to 36-29 with 13 minutes left to play. The Ducks were able to stop the bleeding momentarily as they hit a couple of key shots, but Oregon State kept clawing their way back into the game. OSU got their first lead in the second half when Marchbanks made a layup, making the score 50-49 with just 5.5 minutes left to play. Oregon then pushed the lead back to 4 as Amanda Johnson made a three-pointer and Jasmine Holiday hit 2 free throws, making the score 54-50. Marchbanks then responded with 4 points to tie the game. The last 2 minutes of the game went back and forth as Oregon's Amanda Johnson hit a jumper and a three-pointer, and OSU's Elsera Greer responded with 2 clutch layups and a free throw to tie the game at 59-59 with just more than a minute left in regulation. The Beavers' Alexis Bostic then hit the game-deciding free throws, which gave the Beavers a 61-59 advantage with 57 seconds left in the game. Oregon had a chance to win the game or tie the game with 6 seconds left, but the Ducks' Amanda Johnson missed an open three-pointer with 6 seconds left, and her teammate Deanna Weaver couldn't make the layup with 2 seconds left in the game before Marchbanks got the rebound as time expired. Senior Elsera Greer led Oregon State as she totaled 21 points and 13 rebounds, including 8 offensive rebounds. And Erlicia Marchbanks also had a big game as she had 17 points, shooting 7 for 19 from the field, while also grabbing 7 boards and having 6 steals. It was a tale of two halves as OSU shot 52% from the field in the second half, and Oregon only shot 24% from the floor, including 25% from beyond the arc. In a tremendous second half comeback, the Beavers were able to beat their rival, the Oregon Ducks, 61-59.
Civil War game, so you throw the records out the gym. You go in there and you guys are 0-0. You go into halftime and you come out and it's 0-0. Every single time you come out and you just got to play your hardest.
It's against the Civil War, so it made it even better. But I'm just happy that our home crowd got to see us win, and hopefully we get 2 more coming up soon.
But it's sweet because it's a win. It's against your rivalry school, and so any win's a great win, and to beat the Ducks is even better.
Somebody told me before the year this could be